up.
Chef in the kitchen.
Just making big fat burgers for the grill. I don't love big burgers. It's not my favorite. My favorite is smash burgers. But on the grill, especially for you, because you can only do carnivore diet, it makes more sense to do it this way. One of the hard things is not having it turn into like a big like meatball. One of the techniques you read about is creating a bit of a cavern. Another thing that's really important is to make sure that you're not overworking the meat and bonding it. Keeping the grain structure of the ground beef is kind of important. Making sure you don't fall apart on the grill. I didn't season the ground beef itself. I'm just seasoning the outside with kosher salt.
Okay, we have a finished product right here.
Yeah, they turned out okay. Probably try to make it maybe a little bit less this shape. I kind of want it more like that shape. See what the cook is.
Okay.
Over. It's gonna be good.
It's
But.
gonna be good. Yeah, you salted that really well.
You don't mix all the salt in. Outer caramelized crust becomes a thing. The thing that really works here is the texture. Not over mixing the beef is really important in this kind of cook. This bites and it flakes, kind of like fish. Like it's got like a texture that flakes off.
And you didn't have to add like egg or a binder or anything like it.
This is literally just meat. I was hoping for a little bit more pink. The temperature's a little off, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. 160. I probably would have aimed for more like 135. Take it off the grill, let it come up to 140, 145. Just a little pink in the middle would have been
really good.
exactly what we wanted. Which maybe the bigger of the two would have done.
I'll probably eat that one too, so we'll find out. Oh, so good.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, it's so good.